Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Saad and I got some ticket which I need to resolve. So there are various ticket which I have right now. So let's just read first ticket. Ticket is to create a navigation flow for division controller. User will be the division controller and I will create a navigation flow accordingly. So basically we create navigation flow according to the requirements, whatever the required interface you need over here in the under the over navigation. You can select that, and right now we have a division controller one also in the application itself, but I will create a new one. Similarly, we can create the navigation flow for CEO managers. Then CEO may require only the like dashboards, infolets. He will view data reports, he will view. So according to the need, we will create a navigation flow. So for like creating a new one, you can create a new one as well. So I will go to navigation flow over here. So these are already navigation flow which are already created, like for CFO controllers, division controllers, extractor service admin, group power controller. Uh, these navigation flow are created accordingly. We can simply click on some others over here, and I will click over here, create a copy with the name division controller. Division controller. I'm writing to. I'm creating a new navigation flow, or this is created over here. So we can do editing in when it is inactive, but when it is active we cannot do any editing. So I'll let it be inactive and I'll do the editing. I'll click over here, and what all things I can need are tasks, monthly close, application, tools, academy, enterprise journal, reports and infolets that I will require for a user division controller. So let me see, reports are there already selected. Dashboard, let me see in dashboards what is there. Okay, dashboard is also selected, infolets is also selected, enterprise journal, let me see, enterprise journal is also selected. Okay, and academy, let me see, academy is not selected, so I will select academy as well. Let me see other as well, financial reporting, reports. Okay, compliance overview, financial, application, anything I need for under the application I will add. I can add these thing, enterprise journal. Okay, let it be recommendations. I can also add tools, let me see in appearance, anything I need to add. Okay, so this is it. I can create my own card and cluster. These are the cards over here, which is overview, dashboards and compliance overview, reports. These are card cluster of this, which is the, you can say, heading of this is dashboard, and under that dashboard are close overview, financial dashboard and operational dashboards over here. So that are already selected. You can select this one, cluster, as well. So I will select the cluster. I can add a new one from here. You can add existing card in cluster, add cluster, or add card, or card in cluster. So I will add card in cluster, add existing card. Okay, let's see an existing card. Many existing card I can, let me choose add card. I will add a new card, balance sheet, suppose I need to add. visible dashboard. Okay, under dashboard I'm creating this balance sheet visible icon. I can select first. Let me select the artifact which is balance sheet. So I will select this balance sheet by data source. It is selected icon. I can select from here. As it is a balance sheet, I am just taking this one icon. Single page, let it be single page. Save and close. So I'll show you this also. I've created under dashboard balance sheet as well. Added a new one. I can whatever the need I need for division control, I have added all those things, and I will save and close. So now I will see it is still inactive, so I will active this navigation flow. Then I will reload from navigation flow. From the drop down you can see division controller 2 is created, and whatever the things I have added over here, it is over here. You can see dashboard I have added. Under this is task financial dashboard operation balance sheet that I have created, just added right now. Under this, that you can open it from here itself. So this is balance sheet by source. Okay, so I'll just simply close this. Again go to navigation. I have added academy as well. Tools I have added, application, enterprise journal I have added, task, Infolet dashboard, reports, compliance overview dashboards I have added. So Infolets you can see over here also. And these are the Infolet which we can see on the second page. This will be a graphical representation of the data. Here you can see. So these are the Infolet. You can view it from here and do the comparison of gross profit, operating expenses, actual was forecast. You can add sales. This you can create in the backend as well. So you can create a dash Infolet as well. I have added the Infolet, that's why we are able to see Infolet as well. So I've added all the things which I require for the division controller, for the user or division controller. So I added the navigation accordingly. For other people's, if you want to if you are creating a navigation for accountant, then it will be require all the balance sheet statement, financial statement that need to be added. You can add those and then you can just simply create according to the user. Just give me a second. So I have resolved one ticket which is creating a navigation flow division controller. Now I will just move on to the another ticket which is to create announcement that November month close start from 5th November. So announcement is basically, you can see the Oracle announcement which new updates are coming any. So you can create your own announcement as well. Any announcement that you need to do which you want other users who are using this application can see those announcement, and whatever the latest news update you can share in the announcement as well. So I'll go to announcement. I can see the announcement over here which is already there. Created Q2 close, complete your second quarter task on time, contact your financial accounting team if you encounter issues. So I can create an announcement from here. In under tools you can see announcements. Simply I can create a new announcement from here which will be subject monthly close, I guess. Monthly close start date and end date I can define January, or I will select December 23 1 2 today's, let it be today's date only. Okay, so I have selected. I will write the announcement over here. I'll just simply copy this announcement. November month close starts from 5th November. I have to change the color. It has taken white color only. Okay, so I have chosen the color black. I can do the editing as well. I can bring this in between, or I can select the font as well. Impact, I can take this font as well. So I can save and close this announcement, and this announcement is created monthly close. So I will just run a refresh database after this. I have done the changes. Where is the overview? I will just refresh the database. Okay, so refresh is done successfully. I'll simply click on finish. So now I will see the announcement. I can check the announcement. Here you can see the announcement is there, which is November month close start from 5th November, and you can click over here and see the announcement as well, which is monthly close start from 5th November. You need to make sure whether you have selected the correct date as well. You can select the all, or if I will select the 2024, let's see in January whether it is showing or not. Yeah, we can still see the announcement over here. So this announcement comes this way: when any user will open the application, they can view that announcement over here. So this is how you can create any announcement and updates that you want other users to get updated and view the latest information which is required to be known to all the users. You can share those over here, those announcement over here, and this is how you can do this. Okay, so that's it. This ticket is also resolved. I have resolved this ticket. Now you see the other ticket, which is third one, which is to enable audit and identify number of data load activity took place in last 30 days. So I will see the data load activities which took place in last 30 days. So basically in audit you can track the activities that you have performed earlier. Okay, so I'll just see the last activity task group. I will select as data. I just want to see data activities. Interaction, I will see any modification done, or I can select all also, but I want to see only modification. Start date, I will select December 20, last month, which is December 1, and let it be till today only. So I will simply apply this. There are no such criteria. Okay, let me change the date and apply. So we can see the one recomplete ownership data execute by admin and value. So this is for happened last month. There was no such big update. Let me see, go more back, whether select June June 1st. Okay, let it be till today I am doing. So these are all the activities which we have performed. You can see the time as well and the property over here, and you can see who has performed those action, what is done, modify or whatever else, what data has been input or exported. So you can view all the details related to data just by filtering. So here you can see all the data over here. So basically you can do this audit, and you can also do task manager audit as well. Here you can define the condition, all, name, and whatever modified on, whatever else thing is there, you can see it over here, all the things related to task, and whatever the changes has been done, you can see whether it is in pending status or what else new value it is in open status, and who have modified. So you can view that also by admin or Casey Brown or Mario Jones. What else is it, you can just change it. So audit, we have seen the some previous month data over here. Similarly you can do the filter accordingly. You can filter according to the metadata, data form, rules. You can select if you want to see the audit of that audit trail information. You can view from here just by filtering. You can refresh this as well and configure as well. So whatever you need, you can apply that also in configuration. Export and delete, you can export this as well, and you can delete all the audit also. So this ticket is also resolved. This is also a ticket which says that audit and identify number of data load activities took place in last 30 days. So we have seen the last few months data through audit. So now we will see the last one, which is the last ticket, which is to put application into admin mode and application setting enable user of the application. So this is very simple, but what we need to understand by why we put application into admin mode. So suppose I am admin, I am loading the data, but now it is only on a simple all user can use the application. So on admin mode, when I am on admin mode, I have not enabled the admin mode. So I will enable the admin mode. So what it will do, we can just all the other users that are using, they will be not able to load that data, and they will not be able to open the application while I am loading the data as an admin. So once this admin mode is on, it will not allow any all other users to input data or do any data loading, otherwise it can cause chaos. So that's why when I have loaded the data as an admin, then I will put the admin mode as false. That we do in EPM. We can also do it through EPM automate as well. We can automate this, so we can do automation, EPM automation as well, and you can do this from the application itself from going to settings. So I'll just simply go to settings. Okay, so under settings you can see this enable use of the application for all user or admin. So if I will select as admin, so no other users can input any data or do any activities, and nor they will not be able to do any login over. So until it is in admin mode, so until you will not select it as all user, no other user can log in. But if you will select all user, enable the use of the application for all users, so then other user can also view the data and load data accordingly. So why we do this, we understand this. So because this is very important and data is very crucial, so while loading the data, if someone enters any other amount, we will be able to it will be create problem, and we will need to do again research whether the data is correctly loaded or not, and whoever has done the changes where so it will reflect. So you may get the incorrect data if you have not put it in admin mode. So that's why it is necessary that you put it in on admin mode, so you will be able to add this okay. So from here you can do this, either you enable use of the application from all users. I will show this. If I am on admin mode, I will now select the admin. I will create a one user and tell you whether he is able to log in or not. Okay, okay, so I'll go to manage users, go to create. We'll just create a simple user and okay. So I created one user with name Saad, and let's see whether I'm able to log in or not. Sorry, I have to copy the link. So I will try to log in as a user. So here you can see it is giving me a error which is saying application is in admin mode, new logins are not allowed. So because I have enabled the admin mode on as true, from going to settings, okay, so under settings you can see enable use of all users. I will enable it now. Whether I will see now I am able to log in or not. I will simply save this and I will close this. So I will simply sign out and see whether. So suppose I was loading the data, that's why I put it in admin mode. Now I have loaded the successfully data and checked the data, and now I have put it enable it for all users. So I will see whether I am able to log in or not now. Okay, so here you can see I am able to log in from here, and I can do any process accordingly. So here you can see we are able to view November close, that announcement that we have created from admin. We can see from my username as well. I have logged in from Saad, and this announcement is viewing over here. So any other who will log in, they can view this announcement, and the information will be passed to all the users. Okay. So we will save this. Okay, so that's it. We have resolved all the tickets. I hope all thing is clear to you all. So thank you so much for watching. So if you have any query, you can contact us on www.bispsolutions.com. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.